Space, the infinite world beyond our planet, is vast, dark, mythical, and in many ways scary. Many terrifying stories can be heard of telescopes seeing mystery faces, unexplained light particles, ghosts, aliens. But wouldn't you like to see them for yourself? Join us in today's video as we run through some of the most terrifying space photos that scared humanity to the bones. Number 10. Ghost Head Nebula. You probably shouldn't, but if you look up Ghost Head Nebula on the internet, what you'll see will trigger your deepest fears and give you nightmares for the rest of the week. But not to worry, you're not about to get haunted by a cosmic ghost head, because first off, this unfriendly sight was captured by the Hubble Space Telescope from a location that's 170,000 light-years away from Earth. Also, it's not a ghost head per se, it's only a star-forming region in the Large Magellantic Cloud. Now you can sleep better. Number 9. Black Widow Nebula Spider. Hold on a sec, you sure don't want to hit the bed yet, because Nebula has another creepy monster that could sneak up on you while you sleep. It's a gigantic glowing red spider that seemed to be crawling as this picture was shot by the Glimpse project. From this safe vantage point of view, it looks very much like the biggest Black Widow spider in the entire universe. But relax, there's no point developing arachnophobia, as it's only a harmless cloud of interstellar gas and dust. Number 8. Halloween Skull. Since it was discovered by the Arecibo Observatory in Puerto Rico, this skull-sized asteroid has presented us with many unsolved mysteries. The most notable one was on Halloween night in 2015, when it came as close to 486,000 miles to Earth. It is just a coincidence, or could it have been on its way to celebrate Halloween with us? The latter seems unlikely, and thankfully, it eventually didn't show. Number 7. The Face on Mars. It's no secret that NASA has been probing space long before Elon Musk had the vision to start human civilization on the Red Planet. On one occasion in 1976, a NASA probe machine, Viking 1, was scouring Mars hoping to find a suitable landing spot for its sister spaceship, Viking 2, when it stumbled upon one of the scariest space photos ever seen. A terrifying face carved into the ground. As expected, most people suggested that it probably belongs to a dead alien who lived on the planet in the past. But in reality, it's not. NASA says it's just a huge rock formation in the center of the photo which resembled a human head. This is quite believable, but what would be the explanation for the next one? Number 6. A doorway on Mars. Just recently, NASA's Curiosity rover gave us something else to worry about when it sent pictures of a pharaonic tomb door back to Earth. The sight alone reignited rumours of alien civilizations existing on Mars, and it's quite understandable. We were only still making sense of NASA's explanation for the face on Mars, and now we have to worry about a new mystery door popping out on a planet that is supposed to be our new home in a few decades from now. Elon Musk must be having second thoughts about his plans to colonize the Red Planet by 2050, or maybe not, because it's not what it looks like. Due to its rocky composition and human space exploration activities on the planet, Mars has become some sort of a museum where you can find dinosaur body parts, weird sculptured faces, and many other strange elements, including this strange-looking door made from rock composition. From close observation, scientists found out that the structure is only about 1 feet tall, and it doesn't lead to an underground alien world. Number 5. Evil Eye of Sauron Nebula. Deservedly, the central region of the spiral galaxy, NGC 4151, ranks as one of the most eerie pictures ever captured in space. If you're a sucker for movies, you've probably seen a similar rendition of this fiery eye in Lord of the Rings. And quite befittingly, the only words rendered by Sauron in the blockbuster movie were, "You cannot hide, I see you. There is no life in the void, only death." However, this beautiful cosmic element is located about 43 million light-years away from Earth and is one of the nearest galaxies which contains an actively growing black hole. Because of this proximity, it offers one the best chances of studying the interaction between an active supermassive black hole and the surrounding gas of its host galaxy. Number 4. Eye on Jupiter. While the eye of SAURON is around 43 million light-years away from Earth, there's another weird eye, located about 484 million miles away on Jupiter, and it possibly could be staring down at you at this very moment. Captured by NASA's Hubble Space Telescope in 2014, this strange eye has a diameter of 10,000 miles, making Jupiter look like a one-eyed giant cyclops. In reality, the shape was formed by the shadow of the Jovian moon, called Ganymede. Number 3. Halloween Pumpkin Sun Face. Apparently, the sun has its scary side as well. In 2014, a perfect storm of magnetic fields gave the sun a carved glowing Halloween pumpkin look, and thankfully NASA's eagle-eyed Solar Dynamic Observatory equipment got a shot. We'd like to state that this is just another natural cosmic occurrence, but on the other hand, we cannot deny that this is yet another concrete evidence that Halloween is celebrated, even in space. Number 2. Glowing lights on Mars. Of all the planets in our solar system, Mars is certainly one to watch. First of all, it probably has more strange objects and artifacts than we have on Earth. And there's a growing feeling amongst ordinary humans that if there's an alien colony out there in space, they are most likely going to be found on Mars. The most recent evidence supporting this assumption is an image of a tiny, elongated, white glowing blob caught by one of the 17 cameras installed on the Curiosity rover. Quite strangely, this mystery light disappeared before another camera could get a glimpse. Could it be the sun or light from an alien hut? Justin Mackey, one of the top members of the team that built and operates the Curiosity rover, has denied these suggestions, claiming it's actually a natural occurrence. In the thousands of images we've received from Curiosity, we see ones with bright spots nearly every week, Mackey said. These can be caused by cosmic ray hits or sunlight glinting from rock surfaces as the most likely explanation. Number 1. Flying saucer seen by the Apollo 16 crew. In April 1972, the 3-man Apollo 16 crew found something unusual while going about their daily assignment in space. A circular saucer-like object floating around. Instinct struck, prompting them to take a short video of this strange object. For some explicable reason, nobody thought it wise to make extra copies of the video, and the clip mysteriously went missing for the next 3 decades until an official from the Johnson Space Center stumbled on it, and thanks to some new age sophisticated scanning device, the true dimensions of this UFO was revealed. It's safe to say it perfectly fits the description of a flying saucer, just like the Apollo crew labelled it many years ago.